Piston cup, here we come.
Collect cans of fuel. The tank is full.
You gotta pedal. You gotta put your feet on the pedals and go, go, go.
Huh? You can try it. I'm gonna read this book. What if a dinosaur's friends come to play? Does he mope? Does he pout? If he can't get
To
it?
drive, just start pedaling.
Does he hide all his dump trucks for cruising to share? Does he throw his friends' coloring books in the air? Maybe you're a dinosaur. Does he hog all the swings in the sandbox and slides?
A helicopter? Is it off? No, he's a blimp.
No dinosaur does it. He knows how to play. He treats everyone in the
It's Mr. King, friend.
Okay.